How to get free SSL certificate for your website. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can actually get a free SSL certificate for any website you are using. So as long as you have a domain and your domain is not really secure and you don't really want to pay for SSL certificate, this is a simple way we can do it, guys. I'm going to be showing you this on my iPhone, but you can actually do it on any devices as you wish. So just go ahead and open your browser. When you open your browser, guys, I want you to go ahead and look for this website called Cloudflare. For this website called Cloudflare. So when you open this website, guys, I want you to just go ahead and sign up. So if you don't have an account, just go ahead and sign up. So when you're done doing this, guys, I want you to just go ahead and add your website. So when you add your website, guys, as you can see here showing in the video, I'm not going to be walking you through all the steps, but if you have any question, just go ahead and comment down below and I'll show you how to do it. So when you go ahead and log in, so guys, it's going to ask you to add your website. So when you add your website, guys, as you can see, here are the prices of the SSL certificate. So as you can see, there's a $20, a $200, but what I want you to do is to go ahead and click on where it says 0. So the free plan. So just go ahead and click on that free plan. When you click on free plan, click on add website. So when you go ahead and click on add website, guys, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to be adding your website. So as you can see, guys, asking me to sign up. So I'll just go ahead and log in. I have an account already. So if I don't log in, guys, just go ahead and click on get started. When you click on get started, just go ahead and add in your domain. So just go ahead and add the domain name you want to be adding SSL certificate to. So when you do that, it's going to go ahead and verify the domain name. For example, if I should type in any domain name, for example, love.com, I don't really have this domain name, just for example, guys. When you click on continue, guys, it's going to go ahead and check in for their website. So when you add in your website, guys, this is an example. I don't really have that domain name. So when you add in your website, I want you to scroll down and click on where it says free plan. So go ahead and click on free plan. When you click on free plan, go ahead and click on continue. So when you click on continue, guys, it's going to actually check the website for you and check all the necessary information. So if you're registering on GoDaddy, it's going to show you here. If you're registering on any other platform, or you can actually register it here if you don't really have a domain. But if you have a domain registered somewhere else, that's not a problem. As you can see, guys, it's going to check. So as you can see, it's scanning the DNS record. So it's going to check all the necessary information here for you. And when it's done checking, it's going to ask you for to link. So you're going to just go ahead and link it to your other platform you bought your domain. So as you can see, it's already checking. So as you can see, guys, it's done checking. I don't really have this domain name, so I'm not going to go forward because I don't really have access to the domain. But if it's your personal domain, just go ahead and follow this step, guys. Just continue step. I don't have access to this domain. I'm just showing you guys an example. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel.